Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, October 1st, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, after a crappy July, a crappy August, and a crappy September, we started October with a crappy day, which is pretty much what I would have expected. The You're looking at the Dow here, and in some ways, this is symptomatic of the problem. Yesterday the Dow sold off big time, over 500 points, closed on its low after a sell-off last 30 minutes of the day, and all expectations would have been you'd see a lower day today. No, what does it do? It reverses most of that downside action, and um, the Dow officially closing up 483 points, almost canceling all of that loss from yesterday. And you might say, well, that's good. Well, no, it isn't good, because all of September the trend on the Dow was down, and yet it won't trend 2 days in a row. And this tends to mess up our trading approach, because we we do trade a trend. We do trade a 2 day trend, and when you get the stocks reversing alternate days, it creates a lot of problems. And it also, you know, if the Dow really was going to, reverse things in October and start trending up, that would probably be good for us. But I don't think it's going to do this. We'll just see more of this back and forth roller coaster action, and I suspect a downward trend. I don't want to see a downward trend. I want to see a crash. I think that would help us, but that's not what it's going to do. I told you yesterday, the stocks aren't going to do what Bob Moran wants them to do. So, and they would do just the opposite, which is exactly what happened today. Anyway, I think this is part of the problem. Anyway, we had I don't know, 8, 9, 10 positions coming in, I think, and we were negative $7,000 on the close yesterday. We closed that out with over negative 12,000. That is typical of the problems that we've been having. Our overnight positions don't get better, but they get worse. And we got into three new positions, three positive, none negative, and we're carrying positive $4,000 over the weekend. But that doesn't offset the $12,000 plus loss that we had on our closed out trades. And if I didn't mention, officially the Dow closes up 483 points, essentially reversing the downside action from yesterday. Um, I have nothing to show you. Listen, you guys have a great weekend, and I will be back here on Monday trading as usual.